As you prepare your breakfast, think of others. Do not forget the pigeon's food. As you conduct your wars, think of others. Do not forget those who seek peace. As you pay your water bill, think of others, those who are nursed by clouds. As you return home to your home, think of others. Do not forget the people of the refugee camps. As you sleep and count the stars, think of others. Those who have nowhere to sleep. As you liberate yourself in metaphor, think of others. Those who have lost the right to speak. As you think of others far away, think of yourself. Say, if only I were a candle in the dark.